So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Once you're on this, we're going to click on any service and click on W on our keyboard. Then we're going to scroll down till we find Windows Event Collector. You want to double click on this and then change the startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now once you do that, right under it with Windows Event Log, you want to double click on it and then do the same thing, startup type automatic and then click on start, which will make the service running, and then click on OK. Then we're going to scroll down until we find Windows Update. You want to double click on this and then change the startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator and then click on yes. Once we're on this, we're going to copy and paste these 5 commands into CMD. All the commands will be down below in the description. But first I'm just going to type out the first one. So sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. And then it's going to run a scan right here. Now once the scan's been completed, you want to copy and paste the next 4 commands into CMD. And then click on enter. And then once you complete everything in this video, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.